Okay, we've got some fantastic new air barrier tapes, Proctor air barrier tapes, Tack Plus, that's now available on our web shop, tighthouse.com.au. We've also got a new version of Youripper with a backing release liner that's really easy to rip, very easy to apply, especially on internal wraps. George, can you apply these tapes for us?
Absolutely.
So we've got this join on a batten, gives us something to press against, but also when you tear it, you also get a bit of unevenness to easily take the backing off. So this is a very different tape to the Tack, which is usable on the inside and the outside, but can't be just ripped. You need a knife for this product, but this product here, which is internal only, can just be ripped wherever you want.
Very easy to apply. So
this product, the actual carrier isn't as malleable as what you will get with this product here, which is the Tack Plus. But again, George, do you want to just show this on a run as well?
Absolutely.
So this is a way more malleable. So George, can you just crease it a little bit and just show how it sort of is quite flexible? Now, the other benefit of all these tapes being white is that when they do slightly come off because of tension, you can clearly see shadowing. With any darker tapes, very difficult to see that the tape has come off. But when a tape is white, way easier to sort of see that. Like even just here, when it's white and you've got shadowing, very easy to see that it's not applied very well and it needs to be dewatered or pressurized. Youripper is extremely useful for just straight runs where you don't have to negotiate corners, and it's just way easier to work with, way faster, great adhesion with the release liner. Okay, so to demonstrate the strength of this tape, we're going to apply with just a little bit of purchase, some tape on either side, and George is going to lift it up in the air because he's the strong man. Now over time this tape will bake in and it'll get stronger, but it is good practice to also prime concrete surfaces like this prior to applying some tape. Let's try it with the Youripper, George.
Yep.
It's terribly good. Stuff.
Even a bit of weight.
Again, over time, this will bite in even more. George, let's just now demonstrate our foil tape, which is a tape using the same adhesive but without the release liner, so not as much tack. So this is one of our original tapes, great for laggers, duct installers, very low mess because you don't have that release liner, and also it sticks like crazy but also doesn't disintegrate when you take it off and reapply it. Show everyone how nicely it's malleable to close up gaps in ductwork. This is a perfect one here on the corner here. Very malleable, works amazingly well. This is an extremely popular product for raised floors, UFAD, pressurized flooring systems.
Really makes the joints airtight.
But also for laggers, extremely useful for applying lagging. Okay, so there you have it. 3 new tapes available on tighthouse.com.au to get better outcomes with a better quality product and hopefully less waste and less work.